Modern compression stockings are a crucial part of preventing life-threatening blood clots. Why blood clots form? Surgery, trauma, and immobility slow blood flow in your legs. Slow blood flow allows clots to form, which can be dangerous if they travel to your lungs. How compression helps. Graduated compression squeezes your legs, limiting swelling and promoting blood flow back to your heart and preventing stagnation. This also releases chemicals that help reduce the risk of blood clots. The right fit matters. Compression stockings need to be properly sized and fitted. Too loose and they don't work, too tight and they're uncomfortable and they cause sores. We typically recommend compression stockings for about 6 weeks after surgery, depending on your risk factors and mobility level. Additional benefits. Compression stockings also reduce swelling and can improve comfort during recovery. Want to understand your blood clot prevention strategy? Follow me for more insight on post-surgical safety measures.